overseeing this light heavyweight bout here at ACB 75 in Stuttgart. Joachim Christensen in the blue corner and the green shorts, and Dovletdzhan Yagshimuradov in the red corner with the white and black shorts. They touch him up. Dovletdzhan, another one of these fighters that really doesn't cut very much weight. Cuts the minimum amount, very heavily set already, but puts that to the test, that whether the gains are worth the pain of cutting 15, 20, 25 pounds.
No, you're right. Maybe, you know, with proper preparation and enough time, looks like he could make welterweight. But I think that the idea is that he's a powerful guy, so he's not really giving up size too much in this in the middleweight division, and he's faster than middleweights more than he's going to be faster than some of the welterweights. Obviously, the lighter you go, nice right hand, guy's speed increases, so his size difference could be a huge, light heavyweight, a huge advantage in the light heavyweight division.
I thought you'd been a bit mean making him cut to welterweight there.
Yeah, no, I'm sorry. But you know where my brain was.
I'm with you.
I'm trying to watch the
I'm with you. But Joachim putting the pressure on, and this is the real test for Yagshimuradov, because Joachim Christensen, so well rounded, so dangerous. Oh! That's the test, look at that! Yagshimuradov!
When you've seen a guy moving backward, using angles, landing shots, and there, on top of that, it could have been proven. There's the power. He put him out with the shot. He is...
Wow, that overhand right, that looping. And he connected clean. Joachim Christensen, I was about to say, he's the bigger guy. He's a powerful striker. But he timed that perfectly.
He did. Nice shot. Hopefully we can see the replay before they even call the decision. But he landed the shot. John gave, Christensen a second to see if he was going to be able to bounce back and recover, because he did fall down with his hands, operating. He wasn't out on the initial shot. Dovletdzhan saw that, and one more shot is all it took to confirm that he was out.
And that takes him to a 4-fight win streak. 3 of those are by finish. Turkmenistan's flag is flying there. And they may have a little superstar in this man. He's really turned his career 14-5 record. But he has really come into his own. He has really adapted to MMA, and he's shown he can put anyone to sleep. I'd like to see an elephant that could take that shot.
Absolutely agree with you. And again, he's not a huge light heavyweight, but the way he fights, he reminds me almost like of a Machida style, mixing with some of the athleticism of Rashad Evans back in his prime. You've seen the speed he has, but then the technique and angles and movements that he's causing and creating. The only area that maybe give him a hassle, but right now I don't see anybody really grabbing a hold of him, is if they're going to have to impose their size and strength on him, because going speed and angles with him doesn't look like an easy route.
Wow, indeed. There's many light heavyweights out there. We'll now be thinking about how they would handle the skill set of Dovletdzhan Yagshimuradov. Thinking of one, Luke Barnett now stepping up to that light heavyweight division.
Well, beautiful angle and technique. And you've seen even there, when he had the shot that hurt Christensen and knocked him down with the overhand right, perfectly placed right hand, but he didn't freak out when he threw that second shot. A lot of guys on that shot misses. You'll see so many guys rock a guy and they jump down on top of him, and it's just a flurry of power, but not high percentage. You've seen the marksmanship of Dovletdzhan. He just changed levels, looked, and lands it right on the chin. Perfectly placed.
He's a happy man. There might be a Brendan Locke name backstage, a bit worried about his knockout of the night bonus now. We shall find out. Let's make it official. Let's hand it back to the man inside the cage, Mr. Cyrus Fiends.
Ladies and gentlemen, this fight ends at 1:14 of round number 1. Your winner by knockout, Dovletdzhan Yagshimuradov.
So the Turkmenistan fighter takes the victory.
Beautiful. We can see that replay. I'll look through it again. Real quick, maybe we can get a word in there. There, beautiful right hand. You've seen the placement there. John gave him a second to see if Christensen could fight back, but obviously that shot there finished him off completely. Again, great placement there. Lands a nice right hand.
High there. What does this? There we go. Look at this support. What message have you got for the people back in Turkmenistan that witnessed that knockout?
Спасибо всем, ребята, что болели. Очень переживал за этот бой. Спасибо организаторам. И как бы хочу, спасибо всем фанатам. И в первую очередь хочу поздравить отца. У него вчера был день рождения. Извини, что не присутствовал, он приехал. Отец, с днем рождения, поздравляю тебя. И всем, кто помогал мне в подготовке в город Харьков. И особенно в Дагестане, клуб «Горец». Спасибо им большое. Они очень мне помогли, очень подтянули. Спасибо вам большое.
Congratulations. Give it a one more time. What a knockout. Yagshimuradov!
Not exactly sure what he said there. A little bit of quickness. We didn't get the translator in there.